In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design YouTube thumbnails in Canva. A striking thumbnail can be the difference between someone clicking on your video or scrolling past it. Let's jump right in and create a thumbnail that not only grabs attention, but also communicates your content effectively. First things first, open Canva. If you don't already have an account, signing up is quick and easy, and Canva offers a free plan that's more than enough for our needs today. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a button or big plus sign that says, Create a Design. Click on this, and then you'll select YouTube Video. This pre-sized template ensures that your thumbnail will fit perfectly on the YouTube platform, so you don't have to worry about any awkward cropping or resizing later on. Now that you have your blank canvas ready, let's focus on the text element by looking at the tools on the left sidebar. Click on Text, and you'll see options to add text to your design. When choosing fonts, go for thick, bold, or display fonts. These types of fonts are eye-catching and can convey the message of your video at a glance. Remember, the text is not just for information. It's a vital design element that should stand out. Next, make your thumbnail pop with some creative flair. One way to do this is by visiting the Elements tab and searching for expressive faces. These add personality and emotion, helping to engage viewers even before they click on the video. Personal touches and elements that align with your brand can also be incorporated here. While designing, keep in mind that less is more. Avoid clutter at all costs. The main focus of your thumbnail should always be your subject and headline. This ensures that your viewers know exactly what to expect from your video in a matter of seconds. If you find yourself staring at a blank canvas for too long, Canva's built-in YouTube thumbnail templates are a great source of inspiration. Skim through these professionally designed templates, which can kickstart your creative process. To customize your chosen template or even your self-made design, replace the images with those that match your content. Adjust the colors and fonts to better reflect your video's theme, ensuring everything harmonizes while reinforcing your brand identity. Once you're fully satisfied with your design, it's time to save your masterpiece. Simply click Share on the upper right corner of your screen and then choose Download. Make sure to select the PNG format for a high-quality image that uploads seamlessly to YouTube. Now, you're all set to upload your eye-catching thumbnail to YouTube, ensuring your video stands out in a sea of content. Thank you for following along, and I hope your thumbnails bring great success to your videos.